Hey everybody. So for today, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. Normally when I do these videos, I have a script or at least some notes ready to talk about a particular issue. Notes normally for like impromptu reaction videos. And for some of the more ready-made videos, I already have like most of a script ready to go because I tend to stutter and hem and haw a lot, as you all probably have noticed with a lot of my videos. Today, I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to have ChatGPT write this video. So I know a lot of people have been talking about how AI is taking over and is starting to invade content creating, and I'm pretty sure you've seen plenty of channels regarding like AI voices with AI scripts and AI pictures and all that. And I thought to myself, hey, let's give this a try and see if AI can make a beer money engine video for me. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna be using ChatGPT 3.5. If this ends up getting a good response, maybe in a few months, I'll go and buy ChatGPT the 4. ChatGPT 4 basically, and go ahead and see what if there was any comparisons between 3.5 and 4. Alrighty, so I have here the quote that I'm going to write. Make me a script for a YouTube video that is about beer money apps that should last around 8 minutes long. It can be on any app or just beer money apps in general that you want. I'm going to send the message and see what it can do. And, ooh. All right, it says here top 5 beer money apps to boost your income in 2024. It's even like giving me like where to put upbeat music. And it's even telling me like what times for each one. This is quite elaborate. This is quite detailed, I gotta say. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this run, and then we can try and make this video once it's done. All right. All right, it looks like the script is done, and it is way more detailed than I do for myself. A lot of this also involves like some kind of voiceover and some kind of like graphics and all that. And I'll try to add graphics to it, but I'm going to go through each of the sections and I'm going to critique and see how ChatGPT has done with its beer money apps. It looks like, because the title here says top 5 beer money apps to boost your income in 2024. So I'm going to see if the 5 beer money apps they chose was great. And if I would have chosen them myself, you already know what, I think you probably already know what my top 5 would be. Atlas Earth, Benjamin, Bridge Money, although Bridge Money is iffy lately because of the cash out windows, but I'll go with Bridge Money. Amazon M Turk. Yeah, I still put Amazon M Turk as one of the top ones. And that 5th one is a little, I'm going to say Free Cash for right now. It's Free Cash or Cash Walk, but I'm going to go with Free Cash. Anyway, let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about exploring easy ways to make some extra cash right from your smartphone or computer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 beer money apps that can help you earn a little side cash in 2024. So grab your phone because you're going to want to download these apps by the end of the video. Well, I'll be the judge of that. And there's the transition effect and upbeat music. Comment section. I know we talked about this like a year and a half ago, but just let me know. Do you want me to get like some kind of music playing in the background when I talk about these things? If not, let me know. The first time it was like overwhelmingly shot down that not to, so I decided not to. So just let me know. It says here too, quick montage of apps in use, screenshots of earnings, vibrant animations indicating growth and cash flow. Vibrant animations indicating growth and cash flow. Yeah, I would have to get some kind of AI to do that. But I don't think there's any video AI right now, any video AI apps out there that will do that for you for free, right? Look, I'm having to deal with just working on a shoestring budget. Maybe I can start using some of it to focus on the channel later on. Matter of fact, I'm going to be spending like my first $50 to $100 getting a new software, actually. I currently use Magic's Movie Studio 11 Platinum, which is like a 10-year-old software, and I want to get a better, newer software that's out there. So that's on my to-do list. All right, enough rambling. Let's move on. Okay, so what exactly are beer money apps? In short, they're apps that allow you to earn extra money in your spare time by completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or testing out new services. Or, play to earn games or walking. I mean, there's Cashwalk and Atlas Earth. They exist. The money you earn is usually not enough to replace a full-time job, but is perfect for covering small expenses like a cold beer on a Friday night, hence the name. To AJ. Hey, AJ. We gotta use this. I like this. I know you have something kind of shorter, but I think this is definitely a lot more elaborate. Just telegraphing that out there. All right, let's get into our top 5 picks for this year. All right, number 1 is Swagbucks. First up, we have Swagbucks. This is one of the most well-known beer money apps out there. With Swagbucks, you can earn points, called Swagbucks SB, by completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can then redeem these points for gift cards or cash via PayPal. I personally used Swagbucks for a few months and was able to earn about $50 without too much effort. It's great for when you're chilling at home or have some time during your day. Okay, so Swagbucks would not be on the top of my list. If I had a top 15, a top 20, yeah, Swagbucks would be up there. But a lot of the stuff that Swagbucks has, a lot of the games that are out there, a lot of the stuff on the offer walls don't work very well. And also the surveys are horrible. Like, they're probably some of the worst surveys I've seen anywhere, honestly. And they pay out really terribly. And they really make you want to have to, they really want you to take those surveys to get any sort of bonuses. And the problem is there's so few surveys on Swagbucks that are worth it. The one place where it is worth it, though, is the cashback on shopping and the cashback on groceries. If you decide if you want an item, every once in a while, the Pillsbury biscuits go on sale, and Pillsbury just blows the generic brands out of the water. So we go and get the Pillsbury biscuits, and we'll get like $2 or 200 Swagbucks off. And that, combined with a monthly discount of up to $50 worth of gift cards. So 25 for Walmart, 25 for Sam's Club, and that's worth 2,200 Swagbucks a piece every month. And yeah, for 4,400 Swagbucks, you can get up to $50 a month of gift cards that way. That's honestly a great deal. Other than that, though, like I said, Swagbucks, yeah, top 15, maybe top 10. I would not put it as number 1, though. Definitely not number 1. Let's move on to the second one. Number 2, we have Survey Junkie. This app pays you to share your opinions by completing surveys tailored to your demographic profile. The interface is super user-friendly, and you start earning cash right away. Each survey earns you points, which can be converted to cash and withdrawn through PayPal. If you're consistent, you could easily make up to $40 a month here just spending a few minutes a day. Is Survey Junkie the place that has like a $100 cash out threshold? Or was that Survey Savvy? I'm not quite sure. As far as Survey Junkie is, let me check Survey Junkie. Hang on. Okay, no, Survey Junkie's minimum payout is $5. Okay, so I was thinking Survey Savvy. Survey Savvy has a $100 one. Okay, I think I know what Survey Junkie is, sort of. I know they're a decent site, but the problem is that they don't pay that great, as if I remember correctly. You definitely can get better on surveys in places like Paid Viewpoint, and also those that also pay better for like screen outs as well. I mostly would prefer Paid Viewpoint in that case. I really don't know too much about Survey Junkie. I don't know if I would put it at the top of this list. Amazon MTurk has better studies. Prolific's got better studies. OnePulse has better studies, and easier to get to, at least with OnePulse anyway. Multipolls even has easier ways to get into it. So, yeah, Survey Junkie, I would barely put in like the top 5 of even survey sites right now, if that. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Number 3, are you a gamer? Then Misplay might be perfect for you. This app page, I'm sorry, Okay, misplay. Are you serious? Okay, only because it's like the most well known of the game apps. It and rewarded play are shown everywhere with phone ads, and I just can't stop seeing them constantly. Okay, let me continue. This app pays you to play new and exciting mobile games. The more you play, the more you earn in the form of points, which can be redeemed for gift cards or other rewards. This isn't just pocket change either. Some users report earning up to $100 in gift cards by consistently playing games through misplay. Yeah, starting out, you can make quite a bit of money, but eventually the rewards will wear off. And that's the problem, is that the rewards are going to wear off and you'll be left with nothing. If there is an app that I would rather recommend people play for more consistent earnings, again, it really depends on if you're looking to play games itself. There's Benjamin, there's Just Play, who has their own like homemade stuff. Bridge Money even has the Best of Toast games. If you're willing to like play the accounting game on it and spend money to make money, I wouldn't recommend that with Best of Toast, but that's there. But yeah, as far as misplay is concerned, like it's fine for a little bit, but like beyond, I would say like the first month, I wouldn't keep it. And matter of fact, I'm even planning on using misplay in my future beer money portfolio, my beer money engine portfolio. But I'm just waiting it out a little bit before, because hasn't been long enough yet for me to to go back to misplay after I had used it before for like Atlas Earth parcels way back when. So, okay, that's three so far. The only one I think that the AI is pretty good on was Swag Bucks. The others I wouldn't really recommend too much. Okay, Fetch Rewards. This is the next one. Moving on to Fetch Rewards. This app is incredibly straightforward. All you do is scan your shopping receipts and you earn points based on the total amount spent in any featured brands or products. The best part, these points can be converted into gift cards from a huge variety of retailers, making it easy to save money on everyday purchases. The only problem I have with Fetch Rewards is that they don't give you any rewards for generic receipts. Swagbucks does, CoinOut does, Receipt Hawk does, Pogo does. Shopkick does not, actually. So it's very similar to Shopkick. The issue with Fetch Rewards that I didn't really like, and again, this is my own personal experience, was that the products that they had there, the rewards did not make up what I could get if I just got the generic brand. And this is a problem with Fetch Rewards, Shopkick, Swagbucks, and a lot of others. If you want me to try a brand name product, you have to make it worthwhile for me. If the brand name product costs $7 and the generic product, which is just as good, costs $3, but you want me to try the brand name and you give me a $3 off coupon, like I earn $3 or something from your rewards app, that's still $4. I'm still going to take the generic brand. I'm not going to want to pay an extra dollar to try out this brand name product just to earn some money on your beer money app. That's not thrifty beer money making at all. And I don't think anyone should be doing that. Now, different story if the quality is just so much better. For example, I mentioned earlier, the canned biscuits that we usually get. The Walmart canned biscuits taste like cardboard. Pillsbury, way better. That I'm willing to put some money on. But I say 80 to 90% of the time, the generic brand is just fine and can be just as good and at times even better, or the off brand if you shop at Aldi. Again, just my opinion on that. So, Fetch Rewards, it's useful if you don't mind shopping name brands, but more times than not, the name brands aren't worth it. Last but not least, we have Rover. If you love pets, this one might be more than just beer money. Okay, see, this is a side hustle app. Rover is not a beer money app. Okay, moving on. Rover connects pet owners with dog walkers and pet sitters. You set your schedule and rates, and you can earn significant money taking care of pets in your area. This can be a great way to turn your love for animals into a profitable venture, with some sitters earning hundreds a month. Yeah, but this is a side hustle. This is exactly the reason why. Like I did a little bit of tutoring for several years actually, for a tutoring company, which my coordinator Josh is probably watching this. Hey Josh, The issue with this is it's a side hustle, and I'm trying to find apps that you can use on your free time that you have 10 to 15 minutes a day doing. Pet sitting, babysitting, tutoring, teaching lessons and all that, that takes hours upon hours to get certain bit of side money. And if I'm doing that, I'd rather just work a part-time job anyway, or I just do gig work then. I mean, I know a lot of people would be like, who aren't fans of pets, be like, well, why don't you just throw DoorDash into this? It's basically the same thing. So, so again, big oof here for ChatGPT. So out of all of this, I would say out of the five, the only one that I sort of agree with, like you could make a case for Swagbucks being in the top five just because of how popular it is. Survey Junkie, I might throw it into a poll. I might throw it into the Beer Money portfolio and see how it does. I'm a little bit iffy on it. Misplay, definitely not. Again, starts strong, but starts tapering off very quickly. Fetch Rewards is basically just a worse shop kick. And Rover isn't even a Beer Money app. So 1 out of 5. And there you have it. 5 awesome Beer Money apps to help you earn a little extra in 2024. More like 1 awesome Beer Money app. 3 mediocre ones. Well, 1 I'm not sure. 2 mediocre ones and 1 side gig app to earn you a little extra in 2024. Try them out and let me know your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, yeah, so overall, I guess it's fine for a generic, just a generic Beer Money app for people, for some generic video, except for Rover. Because again, Rover is not a Beer Money app. But overall, I mean, it's not that good. I think AI still got a ways to go. Now, if you like seeing this, if you want to see if ChatGPT 4 does any better, let's see. I want to go for a very lofty goal because this is going to take a while. So I'll go with 100 likes. Once I get 100 likes, I'll buy this. I'll upgrade to Plus because I have the ability to. And I'll take a look at what ChatGPT 4 has to offer. Until then, everybody, I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite Beer Money apps, and don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. See you, everyone.